Lesson 2. I'm working on plus noun. Ndimo gukora ku kongeraho izina. I'm is a contraction for the words I am. I'm ni impine y'amagambo I am. The phrase working on relays a physical or mental effort toward an accomplishment. Iyi nteruro working on iratubwira mu buryo bugaragara cyangwa se bw'ibitekerezo imbaraga zikoreshejwe kugira ngo ube wagera ku kintu. Here are some examples. Dore ingero. I'm working on a big project. Ndi gukora umushinga munini. I'm working on training my dog. Ndimo gukora akazi ko guhugura imbwa yanjye cyangwa kuyitoza. I'm working on making new friends. Ndimo ndakora ku buryo nabona inshuti nshya. I'm working on educating myself. Ndimo ndakora ku kintu cyo kwiyigisha. I'm working on my homework. Ndimo ndakora ku mukoro. I'm working on painting a house. Ndimo ndakora ku bijyanye no gusiga irangi. I'm working on a new idea. Ndakora ku gitekerezo gishya. I'm working on my computer. Ndimo ndakora kugira icyo nkora kuri mudasobwa yanjye. I am working on my website. Ndi gukora kuri website yanjye cyangwa se urubuga rwanjye.